Greetings everyone, and welcome to another video. In this video I am drying my hair with this Revair hair dryer. I purchased with my own money and it was very well worth it. I was lucky to catch it on sale for about $3.50. This is my second time using it and I think I've got a hang of it, how I need to use it. I followed Natural 85's technique of using it and it works well for me. And that technique is basically using the dryer at the tips of the hair, then working the way up to the roots. And I'm also using the highest tension because this air dryer, it pulls your hair as it is blowing it dry. So it's stretching your hair, like sucking it through the vacuum, holding it taut. And I like to start at the ends to get those coils worked out. Then work my way up to the middle and then working my way up to the roots. Yes, first I do moisturize with my shea butter mix and probably a leave-in conditioner, aloe vera juice, something like that. It was so humid this day in Georgia. I had to twist it as I finished because it felt like my hair was swelling up and shrinking right as I finished. I probably need to find a good product to hold that hair in place and not frizz. In real time, you're going to see how long it takes for each section. This machine is very loud, as you hear, and it's a little bit heavy, but it doesn't bother me too much. Just get comfortable while you're doing it. I leave that hair in for about 20 to 30 seconds. It says no longer than a minute and 30 seconds, and I definitely don't leave it in that long. I just want to make sure it's well dry before I stop. Right here I was using the neutral or low setting and I was wondering why it wasn't getting dry and straight. So I'm banding my hair as I finish just to press the hair more stretched, more straight, silk it out, and yeah, keep it from frizzing. here are my final results. I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm so excited. I can comb through my hair. My hair is stretched dry like it's been blow dried because my hair does not like a blow dryer, a traditional blow dryer. My hair does not like it, and I believe my ends will be crunching off. But this, it keeps my hair moist. The same kind of moisture my hair gets when I air dry it. And I love that. Oh my God. I'm so excited about this Revair. It was worth it. Yes, it was worth it for me. This is what it looks like the next day after I take it down from the banding just to keep it from swelling up so much. As you see, it looks like it's swelling here in this footage because I'm in Georgia. It's so humid this day, and I know it's gonna swell up a little bit. That's why I have to band it or twist it to set it. Because once I comb through it, it's breaking the set. And it's going to swell a little bit up into a fro or something. So that's why I'm going to set it with some twist so it can stay with that definition once I take it down. I didn't have anything better to do. I love playing in my hair. It's my joy. Okay, stay tuned to the next video where I take this down. Thank you. Be blessed.